Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL path of a page on System.io. This is a useful skill when you want to customize your funnel links to make them more memorable or SEO friendly. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to System.io. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to your System.io dashboard where you can access all your funnels and pages. Now, look at the top toolbar on your dashboard. Here, you'll see several options for managing different aspects of your account. Click on Sites, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Sales Funnels. This will take you to a page displaying all the funnels you've created within your System.io account. Next, browse through your list of funnels and click on the specific funnel where you want to change the URL path. This will open up the funnel editor, giving you access to all the settings and pages within that particular funnel. Take a moment to locate the section where you can modify the URL settings. Once you're in the funnel editor, navigate to the URL path section. This is where you'll find the current URL path assigned to your page. The URL path is the part that comes after your main domain, so customizing it can help make your links more meaningful and easier to share. In the URL path field, type your new desired URL path. Make sure to choose something clear and relevant to the content of your page. This could be something like /product-launch or /free-webinar, depending on what your funnel is promoting. After typing in your new URL path, you can either hit enter or simply click away from the field. The great thing about System.io is that changes save automatically, so you don't need to worry about clicking a separate save button. Finally, to make sure your new URL path is working correctly, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click on View Funnel. This will open your funnel in a new tab, allowing you to test the new URL path and ensure everything is displaying properly. It's always a good idea to verify that the link works as expected before sharing it with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully changed the URL path of your page on System.io, making your funnel links more professional and easier to remember. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.